Hi, first of all, let's check with the sorting. Maybe the sorting for the location like shipping or billing addresses, and with all this information is not working. So check that, and if it is not workable, then we need to um, remove the option of sorting from there. And I have already mentioned with another ticket for the salesperson issue since it is not working properly. I believe that is a UI issue, so it's going to be a different ticket. And then we have one issue that I was checking with the pagination, and previously we solved that for order report as well. So let me try to reproduce the issue. The issue is maybe something related to when we are searching by a state and we are making a group by, the pagination showing is wrong here. I don't have anything here. Let me try. Okay, next two point I'm going to share, that is since we have the filtered order status, so we need to show the order status somewhere in the list as well. And the next thing is, looks like the total is not working, or we don't have the totals for the cost. So we need a total like we had in order report, and yeah, the total is, say example, I have filtered some results and I can see some options here, so I should have the totals here, like it worked on the order reports. And then when we are exporting that results, we should have a totals at the bottom of all value. You can check the reference for order reports. And also when I'm grouping by, I see the options for totals, but it looks like there is no value in the total. Yeah, so there is no value for the total, so we need the total for the cost. And the next thing is the quantity. Say if order is similar, I mean the same module have multiple quantity, then we are going to update the quantity or not. Since if it's having multiple door, then we will have multiple lists, so it will always be quantity 1 if we are not increasing the number when we are increasing the quantity. As an example, I have found that for this they have added a quantity of, actually it's a multiple quantity, you can see a lot of quantity for this options, but here is this supposed to show that number of quantity, or it will be always 1 even if the module is same, that need to be confirmed. And so far these are my feedbacks on the initial review. Next we can see with the search or with the pagination if everything is working fine or not. And for the export and all, we can follow the order report also for this billing and shipping. And Praveen need to confirm about the customer search, so please confirm with the customer search with Praveen. Actually that need to be confirmed with Frac, I guess. So these are more or less my feedback on this. After this fixes, I can further test or try to check the other options if that is working fine or not. I haven't seen the value properly it's working fine or not, and I need to know if any code, and if that is converted within this time we are showing it here, or it is the order and code all have to be within this date range. I believe it is like order report, so it doesn't depend on the code date, it's only for the order date. So I need a confirmation on that as well. That's it.